parcel. I've decided to order a Kindle and that is in here. So I thought I'd open it and like unbox it with you. I'm studying right now. I say right now, I'm not anymore. I have studying to still be done, but this is more exciting. So procrastination at its finest, this cannot wait. So let's do it, I'm so excited. Oh my god, okay. So I ordered a clear case and a screen protector just in case. I don't think many people have them on, but I just wanted to, you know, have one in case. Oh my god! I'm like shocked. So I've got the Kindle Paperwhite 16 gigabytes in the, like, is it Algarve green? I don't even know how you say it. I feel like that's becoming a common thing in all of my YouTube videos. I say at some point, I don't know how you say it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Everyone has raved to me about these. I can see it. And I'm just, honestly, I'm so excited because this is going to be a game changer. So my god, I love this. Look at that. This is going to be so good. Wow, who do I think I am? Oh my gosh. Okay, so power on. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Look. I don't know if I'm supposed to like do anything. Okay, it's just got a little thing. Let's have a look in here while that was going around. That is showing how to charge it. I'm guessing there are instructions. Oh, thank God it is USB-C on this end, so I can use like my phone charger and stuff, which will be so much easier. Right, we've got this screen. So English, how do I? Okay. United Kingdom. It's loading. This is, I can't get over it. Oh my god. I'm so excited because I now have a Kindle. I'm officially a Kindle girly. The annoying thing is I don't have any like stickers or anything to stick on the back for now. So I've obviously got the clear case, but this morning I was finding some on like Pinterest and I've actually like drawn them, which I think they look quite cool because then I can print them off. And let me find them, hang on. This is gonna need to go, oh, it already is the highest brightness. So like I've drawn them. They won't all fit, but like I can print them off and I can put them in there. So that'll be so exciting. Set up with your phone because that's going to be, oh, but my phone is recording. Gonna have to leave you guys. Oh, do you know what? No, let's do it the other way, it's fine. Set up on this Kindle. Oh my god, now I have to put everything in. I don't even know where that password is. Gotta do the Wi-Fi. Obviously, why did I not think of this? I'm gonna have to write that down first because that is not being good. Oh, there we go, that's okay. I'm gonna just speed this up when it comes to it a bit. Oh, that was wrong. Okay, connected to the Wi-Fi. It also has 56% right now, which is quite a good charge. When I got incorrect password, no it's not. Oh, right, bear with me. I worked it out. One letter that was supposed to be uppercase was lowercase. Right, it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Connecting to Amazon. Right, there. Ooh. It's exciting! Look at this. I just love the colour. I think this is the best choice for me. Ah. Okay, so I need to go on and do verify, so I'm gonna have to stop filming for a minute, which is annoying, but it's okay. So it says hello and welcome. So it's like pretty. It says make this Kindle child friendly. Your Kindle allows you to create a personalised experience for each child. Create up to 4 child profiles, add content from your library, set reading goals, track progress and earn badges for your reading. I want badges for my reading, but I'm an adult. Please tell me there's still badges for my reading. Someone please tell me that. No, I don't want Audible. We're there! Oh my gosh. Okay, let's have a little tour, even though I have it on my phone, so I think it's gonna be okay, but. Okay. Well, this is weird, because like everything's like. I need some colour, gang. How do I like? Why is it literally all. I'm confused, because it's like black and white, but like. I don't know, maybe it's intentional. Airplane. I literally. I'm so excited because look at this. And then it has brightness. You can turn up or turn down. It is literally like, when it's down, it's literally like looking at a piece of paper, which I love. And then there's warmth, which I love. Mine will always be like that because my screen is always super warm. Oh, you can like schedule it as well. Ooh, that's a good idea. That is a very good idea. I love this. I'm so excited. I also ordered some inks, so I'm gonna put those in and then I'm gonna print my little stickers to go in the front. But yeah, I'm so excited. And let's just check that this case like actually fits it. There's got to be a setting, but I don't know if that's, I don't know. Very clear. I want to get a little look at that. Oh my god. Like a pop socket to go on the back, so it makes it a bit easier to hold. But saying that, this is great. I love it. I'm sold. Because like, how is something this good? I'm just so excited to read. So honestly, ooh, we're gonna get that. Honestly, comment your Kindle Unlimited recommendations below, because I need them. Yeah, comment your little recommendations if you see this and you have Kindle, because I just need to know everything. I want to read so many books on here. I need to go through and actually make like a proper list, so that I can, yeah, actually like kind of get used to it. But I just love it. I actually love it. But yeah. So I'm now sat in here just because there is a bit more room, because all of my study stuff is set up in the study. So got these cute little stickers. They won't all fit, but I don't know which ones I want to use, so I'm going to colour them all in, because why not? Why would you not? But yeah, I always thought I wanted this as a tattoo because it's so cute. I wanted it like on my arm here, but this is so much more cute. But who knows at this point? Red. I want to do like women who read are dangerous. I want like the dangerous to be in red, and then I want like the other stuff to be in pink. But I don't know how to do it. Maybe we go like, oh, because I don't know how to do it like that, so it's like a descending colour, but then I don't really like the first colour as much. Or maybe do it like, maybe that's better. Let me just see what other colour pinks we have. Oh, that might be nicer actually. This one can go back. No, they're not using that one. And then these will come all purple now. Yeah, we're going to use these three colours. The only problem with this is it bleeds through so much, so I now want to move that page so that it doesn't, actually all of this can go, so I might as well put it on this page. Actually, that's pink, isn't it? Oh, I don't know, I don't want this to go wrong. Who'd have thought this was such a stress? Like, what the hell? Okay, I need this side. I think this is so much better because I was going to draw them, but I didn't want, it wasn't going to work to then trace them off of my iPad, because I find it easier drawing on my iPad originally. I do need to be careful with this because the colour runs so much. Like, it's already gone outside the lines a little bit, and that wasn't even me. Okay. I'm just going to have to be like ultra careful. Actually, that works quite well. Just doing a little line. I don't mind drawing people through me colouring, but it's fine. I'm just going to have a line and then expand and then seeing where we end up, because then obviously that stops it bleeding through as much. Cute. Okay, so one down. I don't really know how I'm gonna put these in there here. I think I'm just gonna put them in and put the case over the top. I don't think I'm gonna stick them to anything because I think that would be really stupid. And I would stick them to the case, but obviously then they'd have to be on the outside because I couldn't stick them. I don't know. I don't know. But I'm now gonna do this one because that's super cute. It's so annoying because I would have like this one and then this, because how cute, but this would take up like half the Kindle case. Although to be fair, I might decide to use it, who knows. I'm gonna colour them all and just see what happens, because that's genuinely like the best part. I'm gonna make my B slightly more like orangey yellow, I think, just because when I used like the brighter yellow it just didn't look right. So honestly, I'm taking this like so seriously. There is no joking about this. It needs to be perfect. Oh no. Oh well, it has a little stinger. That was such a tiny gap that I could not do it without leaving a mark. So the bee has a sting. I actually didn't know if I wanted a bee on my case because I don't like bees, but well, they're not too bad, and I've never been stung by one, and I think that's why I'm scared, because yeah. Oh, a little bee. The colour is like running into each other, which is annoying. I should have given it longer to like dry. Note to self next time, give it longer to dry. But yeah, how cute. I literally love it, honestly. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, that can be the stem colour. I love how I'm just like so easily deciding on this. So I have just put these in here. How cute, because I have like the heartbeat going in to like the chest, and it's wearing the green like shirt. I say it's supposed to be me wearing the green shirt that I like wear quite often, and then women who read are dangerous. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Can you tell? I'm really happy. So anyway, that is my Kindle, and yeah, I'm very, very, very happy. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here. I am going to merge the two videos together just because I don't feel like it will be that long if I do two separately, but that is that. I haven't put the be kind, like, be the kind of friend you want to have. I haven't put this one in there, and it's so cute, but I think I'm going to put this somewhere else. And I haven't put the positive energy or the positivity or this one. But for now, I like it like this. That's cute. So yeah, anyway, it's been really fun unboxing my Kindle and just decorating it with you. So yeah, I will see you again soon for a brand new video. Bye.